Unanimously approving a bell-to-bell ban on cell phones, and your reporter Tristan Ruth joins us on the set tonight.
And Tristan, this follows a new state law requiring every K-12 district to implement a cell phone policy by July 1st, but Denver's policy takes it one step further.
Yeah, and it was a decision they didn't take lightly. There was a special committee created to research and provide recommendation to the school board. And from there were board meetings, community meetings, and even a public survey. The board went through a long and lengthy process to get to the decision to adopt this bell-to-bell policy.
Thank you. With that, the motion passes.
After a lengthy process, Denver School Board unanimously passed a policy that will require students' personal electronic devices, including cell phones, smartwatches, and wireless earbuds, be off and away while at school.
It was a thoughtful community recommendation, not a top-down directive. Number two, it was focused on educational outcomes, not punishment, as we really want to see this as a positive. It is focused on sustained attention, reducing distraction, limiting social media harms during the school day.
In a survey of more than 7,000 DPS parents, teachers, students, and other community members, more than 60% were in favor of a bell-to-bell ban. That includes about 3/4 of all staff surveyed. However, only 2% of students agreed.
I want to be really clear that this isn't punishment, that the adults, the leadership, the district wants what's best for the kids, wants what's best for their success.
Jamie Chesser is a DPS parent and has been a part of the community engagement process.
This is, in my opinion, the way that we need to go for children's success, mental health, focus, and also for the teachers.
Now that the board has okayed the policy, Superintendent Alex Marrero is tasked with implementation and whether students will be able to keep their devices off and away in their possession.
Immediately after this, the team will engage in crafting admin policy.
We've spoken with several DPS students and parents who were not in favor of a bell-to-bell ban and expressed concern about not being able to contact each other in the event of an emergency. DPS does have a text alert system in place to notify parents and provide updates in those emergency situations.
Kirsten, I know there's a lot of people who use their phones for a lot of different reasons. It's not just texting. What about students that rely on their phones for health reasons? I know some of them use their phones to monitor their insulin levels.
Yeah, there are certainly exceptions for students who rely on their devices for health care. That was a big concern, so the board made sure they addressed it.
All right, Kirsten, thank you.